Colostomy. Introduction.
The colon is a storage area for stool. Select true or false. Correct. It also absorbs water. An ostomy is surgery to make the opening for a colostomy or an ileostomy. Select true or false. Correct. Stoma is another term used for the opening created on the outside of the body during an ostomy. Select true or false. Correct. Is it possible to clean the skin surrounding a stoma? Select yes or no. Correct. When changing pouches, you should clean the surrounding skin well. Chewing your food well helps your body digest it more completely. Select true or false. Correct. It also reduces the risk that food will block the stoma.
Passed gas can be reduced by not swallowing air.
Select true or false.
Correct. Most passed gas is a result of swallowed air. Eating slowly can reduce swallowed air. An ileostomy or a colostomy usually prevents sexual activity.
Select true or false.
Correct. Sexual function is usually not affected by an ileostomy or a colostomy. About 5 to 6 weeks after surgery, when incisions are healed, it is safe to have sex.
Thank you for using Explain.